Using AI to turn a brain dump into a prioritized weekly work plan. You start every Monday with a mental pile. Emails you haven't processed, tasks from last week that didn't get done, things your manager mentioned in passing, a deadline you mentally moved 3 times. The week hasn't started and you're already behind. The problem isn't that you have too much to do. The problem is that you're spending your best energy at the start of the week, just trying to figure out where to start. That's not a workload issue, that's a translation problem. Your brain holds everything in fragments, and fragments don't become action until something forces them into structure. Here's the shift. AI can take that brain dump, the messy, unordered list of everything you're holding, and turn it into a prioritized weekly plan in under 2 minutes. This isn't about automating your week. It's about using AI to do the structuring work so your brain can do the thinking work. The skill behind this is called structured output generation. You're not asking AI to make decisions for you. You're giving it raw context, your tasks, your deadlines, your constraints, and asking it to organize and sequence that information in a way that's actually executable. AI is extremely good at this, and most people never use it this way. Here's how it works. Open AI. Do a brain dump, literally list everything on your plate, no order, no categories. Could be 10 items, could be 25. Just get it out. Then paste in this prompt. Here is everything I'm currently tracking. Organize this into a prioritized weekly plan with 3 categories. Must complete this week, should complete this week, and can wait. For each item in the first category, suggest the best day to tackle it based on typical work patterns. Flag anything that looks like a blocker or dependency. What comes back is a structured weekly plan, not a to-do list, an actual sequence you can work from. The productivity payoff is what you do with that output. You're not just looking at a list, you're starting Monday with clarity. You know your top 3 for the day, you know what can wait, and you've already spotted the bottleneck before it derails you on Wednesday. That's hours recovered over the course of a week, not just a few minutes saved. I was spending the first 45 minutes of every Monday sorting through my task list, emails, and Slack threads just to build my plan. Using this approach, that's now a 5-minute process. I add to a running notes doc whenever something comes to mind during the week, run the prompt Monday morning, and I'm working by 8:15. This works for individual contributors and it works for managers. If you're leading a team, you can run the same process with your team's shared workload, input the sprint backlog or the project queue, and get a sequenced view of what should move first based on urgency and dependency. Both prompts are in the first comment. Copy and paste them directly into AI. The week doesn't have to start in chaos. It starts with a plan.